Okay. Actually, if you're gonna click on this, okay, it says temporary. Huh? So there are 4 types here: isolate category, hide category, isolate element, hide element. Let's differentiate first isolate and hide. Any idea what is isolate? What's going to happen when we isolate? The selected element will stay in the screen and the others will be hidden. Okay, when we say hide, I think it's self-explanatory. No? You're going to hide. Yeah, hide it. No? Now, let's try to select this door. Now, let's try to select this door. And let's go here. Okay. And select isolate category. See? As I've said, the selected element stays in the drawing area and the others will be hidden. Now, why there is a glass, why there is a wood, why there is a double door, and so on. Okay. Let me just remind you that I selected isolate category. No, it means that all the category of these elements are doors. There's only one category, no? So I'm going to go back here and reset temporary height. Remember that you can see the category from here, no? I select this wall, category wall. I select, what is this? I select here, this is the category. Okay, so you can also select multiple elements. Huh? Can you check if you can select the wall? Can you click on the wall? Can you click on the wall like this? Okay, and press and hold the control. Okay, so this is how Revit acts now. If I select an element and I select another one, the first one will be deselected. So if I need to select both of them, I press Control and select. Now, if I say isolate category, category of the wall and the category of the door. So this is what's going to happen. Okay, you get the point? Now, I'm going to reset here. So what is the second option? I'm going to select again this door. Okay, what is the other option here? Hide category. So I guess you know what's going to happen, no? It will hide all the category of the door. No? So let's say you select another one, hide category. So you can do that, no? Okay. Later, okay, I think it's better to show it to you now, no? What's the first one actually? The first one is isolate category. That is actually IC. See that? Okay. And the major thing is HR to reset. Okay. HR. So it will reset. Huh? Let's say I'm going to select the door. And what's the first one? IC. Isolate category. So there are some shortcuts. No enter. Okay. HR. What is the second one? The second one is high category, I think HC. HC, yes. HC, high category. These are temporary, by the way. These are temporary. Why I keep on saying temporary? I hide the door, but I save the file, I close the file, and I reopen the file. This door is still there because it's temporary. I will tell you later how to hide it. What's next? The next is isolate element. HI. HI is isolate element. Let's say you need to hide only one single element. Huh? HI. Okay. And isolate element, or I mean hide element, HH. Okay, so H. Now, sorry. So this one, I'll put it here. Okay. So these are very useful shortcut actually. Okay, what else? Okay. Now, okay. So let's talk about this door again. Here, okay, again, this is temporary now. But what if you are going to use this one? No? Hides and individual elements or entire categories. No? If you're going to click on this, you will find this hide elements and hide category. Okay, let's hide elements. Okay, can you just explain what will happen if I say hide elements? What's going to happen? All the doors will be hidden or only one? I said elements, so single door. Okay. Okay, so now that door is hidden. Yeah. Can you try to press HR? We said HR is to reset, no? Did it come back? It's come back now? No. Really? Then you hide it temporarily. HR? No. Okay. So HR will not work on this time. Oh, just it's not working. You press undo. That's why it will come back. Now, it's too much cold. You can turn off. Turn off if it's hot. Let's turn on. Okay. Now, how to return it back actually, no? Let's use this tool. Look at this tool. Okay, it reveals hidden elements. No? If you're gonna click on this, see? The color of that door is distinctive, no? Okay, so it means it's hidden. So select that door and unhide element. Okay, you can press this again. Okay, like that. Huh? If we're going to zoom out, let's try to zoom out. Okay, and let's click this reveal hidden again. Okay, all those in this color are actually hidden. Huh? This one. See this one? Okay, so let's try to select this box. I'll tell you what is this box for. Can you click this box? Yeah. Did you press this reveal hidden elements? Here, what is the section box? Do you have an idea what is a section box? This one? Because it's modified. The section box in your drawing area or in your drawing is actually modified. So probably you know that the section box is actually cutting your building. Am I? Do you have an idea? Okay, okay. So it's like this, no? So it can cut your building, no? For your section, if you are modeling something, you can adjust it. Okay, my technique also here is now, if I need to cut the building, how to say, horizontally, I usually go to the front elevation, for example, and I'm going to cut, let's say I want to see what's on my ground floor. Okay, and then I'm going to